Well, this is Diecast Dave again. I'm doing a redraw on one half of my giveaway that I done the drawing for last night. I didn't realize Kibbo lived in Indonesia. Sorry, buddy, but I can't afford to ship it that far. He's already contacted me, and I told him. Sure, I'm sorry about that, but I can't afford to send it that far, so I'm gonna have to pick another winner. Let me paste the URL of my giveaway video. Filter duplicate users. It's gonna be a short video because I'm filming another one right now. Get YouTube comments. 16 unique comments. Let's get right to it. Let's see who's gonna win it this time. Big Charlie's Model Garage. Congratulations, buddy. I'll leave my email and Instagram at the end of the video and in the description. Get out in touch with me. Well, I thank y'all for subbing and watching and liking. I'm having another giveaway here pretty soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.